Hello, our dear viewers. Welcome to the third lesson in business arithmetic, part of mathematics. My name is Sima Gilbert Gift, working together with Livingstone from the Uganda National Association of Sign Language Interpreters. In this lesson, we will learn about discount. And as we learn about discount, this is a term that is used a lot in the business community. So we shall learn how to use it right, and thereafter learn how to calculate discount. Before we get to discount, let's do a quick review of what we have learned in the previous two lessons. In the first lesson, we learned how to calculate profit and loss. In the second lesson, we learned how to express each of those as a percentage. In the lessons to follow, beginning with this one, we are going to learn how to calculate discount and also know how to use the term discount in our day-to-day life. Discount is a term that is used to show that the original price has been reduced. In our first lesson, we learned that shops at times sell the same items. So as a way of encouraging people to buy only from your shop, shopkeepers give a discount, which means give a reduction in price such that they can appeal to the buyers to come to their shop because they sell at a relatively cheaper price compared to the other shops. Now, discount can also be expressed as a percentage. For example, on your screen, you see there are lots of terms showing discount. It can be 20%, 30%, 50%, and any other percentage that the shopkeeper feels like will give him or her an edge over the rest of the shopkeepers. A discount is calculated as a percentage of the selling price. Please note, a discount is calculated as a percentage of the selling price. Now, this takes us to the mathematics, but bear in mind that a discount is calculated as a percentage of the selling price. Let's have a look at an example. Sarah buys a dress whose marked price is 50,000 Uganda shillings. A shopkeeper offers a 10% discount for cash payment. How much is the discount? How much does she need to pay for the dress in cash? This is something that you can do. Now, let's identify what we have. Sarah buys a dress. The marked price is the price that you find showing on the dress if you go to, for example, a big supermarket or some of the shops that are big, because the items are many, so they try to put a label on each one of them to show that this is the price for this item. That is also partly because at times the shopkeeper might forget the actual price. So for the shopkeeper not to forget, they put a label showing this is the price for this item. So that is the marked price. So Sarah buys a dress whose marked price is 50,000 Uganda shillings. And the shopkeeper offers Sarah a discount of 10% for cash payment. This means that if you're buying it cash, you're paying all the money, then you're going to pay less by 10%. But if you're going to pay part of the money and bring the rest later, then that means you have to pay the marked price. So let's calculate the discount. We've just learned that the discount is a percentage of the selling price. So 10% of 50,000 is the discount that Sarah receives if she pays in cash. Discount is equal to 10, which is the percentage that we are given, over 100, that is 10%, multiplied by selling price. So you're going to get 10 over 100 multiplied by 50,000, and that will give us 5,000. Therefore, the discount is 5,000 Uganda shillings. Let's get back to our question again. Part B of this question is asking, how much does she need to pay for the dress in cash? This means that if you're paying for the dress in cash, you're paying less the discount. Now, let's get to this. Let's start calculating this as well. The amount Sarah needs to pay in cash is less by the discount, and that is the marked price is 50. And the discount, we've just calculated this as 5,000. The cash payment is marked price minus discount, and that's going to give us 50,000 minus 5,000, and that is going to give us 45,000. Therefore, the cash payment that Sarah is going to make for this dress is 45,000 Uganda shillings. Let's have a second example, still on discount. Find the percentage discount being given on a shirt whose selling price is 54,600 shillings after deducting a discount of 10,400 shillings on its marked price. This question is different from the one that we've just done, because whereas in the previous one we were calculating the discount, in this the discount is given, and we are also given another figure, 54,600, which is selling price. So we are going to calculate the percentage discount given. So for you to be able to interpret this question properly, I advise that, one, you first identify what you have been given and what you need to find. Let me show you an example. In this question, I have been given the selling price as 54,600. I have also been given the discount as 10,400. I am asked to find the marked price because I don't know it. Because the question is saying, after reducing that is the selling price. So the marked price, I don't know it. I need to find it. Now, the marked price is the same as selling price plus discount, because remember at first, in the previous question, we learned that if you want to get discount, you'll get marked price minus selling price. So this time, we are doing it the reverse order. So marked price is equal to selling price plus discount. And that is going to lead me to 54,600 plus 10,400 to get a total of 65,000 as our marked price. Remember, we learned that discount is calculated as a percentage of the selling price. Now, This selling price is the same as the marked price, the price that we had at the beginning before the discount is given. That is the price that we use for calculating the percentage discount. So now we are going to calculate the percentage discount. Assume our percentage discount is D%, because we don't know it and we need to find it. If it is D%, then discount is equal to D divided by 100 multiplied by the marked price. We already have the discount, we have the marked price, and that means that we are left with finding D, which is our percentage discount. So we substitute for the values that we have, substitute for the discount and substitute for the marked price. As shown on your screen, our discount is 10,400 and our marked price is 65,000. After that, we need to cross multiply. Cross multiply meaning that the denominator on the right is going to be multiplied by the numerator on the left of the equal signs. And then the numerator on the right is going to be multiplied by the denominator on the left of the equal signs. On the left, we do not have a denominator. But any number that does not have a denominator means that it can be divided by 1 and you remain with that number. Any number divided by 1 gives you that same number. So we are going to take our denominator of 10,400 to be 1. So we are going to have 10,400 multiplied by 100 divided by 65,000 multiplied by 1. But since any number multiplied by 1 remains that number, so we don't have to write it. So we are going to have our percentage discount equal to 10,400 multiplied by 100 divided by 65,000. And that is going to give us a discount of 16%. So our percentage discount in this question is 16%. Now, all the questions about discount come in those two forms. Either the discount is given and you're required to find others like marked price or the cost price, or the percentage discount is not given and you're given the rest and you're required to find it. Now, with these two examples, you should be able to work out all questions that require you to use the knowledge of discount and percentages. In conclusion, in this lesson, we have learned about the term discount and how it is used in business. Also, we have learned how to calculate the percentage discount and the discount itself in case it is not given. So as a way of enabling you to practice more, please look at the questions that are displayed on your screen, try them out, try as much as possible to calculate even many more questions that are given for your practice and in order for you to learn more. Remember to always wash your hands with soap. Remember not to shake hands. Remember not to hug. Remember to always stay home. Keep safe and do not spread the coronavirus or even get infected with the coronavirus. Thank you very much. It has been Gilbert Gift and Livingstone from Uganda National Association sign language interpreters. Thank you very much for attending our lesson.